How to make Discord server. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can make a Discord server. So go ahead and open your Discord. When you open your Discord, guys, go to the server section, just showing below your screen. So if you're on your message section, just go ahead and go to your server section. So when you go to your server section, click on the plus icon showing just below your screen. So if you are not joining any server, it's going to be approved, but for me, I'm in many servers, so it's here below. So go ahead and click on it. When you click on, so there you have few options here, guys. You can go ahead and create your own server or use any template that is showing here. So let's just go ahead and choose the study group. So when you click on the study group, if it's for you and your friends, go ahead and click that. If it's for a club or a community, go ahead and click that. So I can click on where it says for me and my friends. So let's go ahead and name, or let's use the for club community. So let's just go ahead and name this. Let's name it App Mistakes. So when you name your channel, go ahead and put your profile picture if you want to. So click on where it says create server. As you can see, guys, you can go ahead and invite people you want to invite. So if you don't want to do this now, just go ahead and skip. When you skip it, as you can see, our Discord is fully available for us to use. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.